Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to install Content Manager for Assetto Corsa. First, you'll want to search for Content Manager download. Click on the link to acstuff.ru or assettocorsa.club. Scroll down a bit. You'll see everything that Content Manager lets you do with the game. Now go ahead and click on Download Lite version. I already have it installed, so it'll take me straight here. You'll want to open the downloaded file. This part uses WinRAR, so if you don't have WinRAR yet, make sure to install it. Then click Extract. Navigate to the folder where it's been extracted. It may already be unpacked. Or you can right-click the file and choose Extract All. Now I'll open it with WinRAR. Once it opens, you'll see this screen. Now you'll need to find your Assetto Corsa root folder, and I'll show you how to do that. Start by going to this PC, then open the C, Drive, Windows, go to Program Files, x86, scroll down and open Steam, then go to Steam Apps, then Common, and finally open the Assetto Corsa folder. Now that you're here, copy the path of this root folder. Then go back to Content Manager and click Change Folder. Paste or browse to the Assetto Corsa directory just like I did. Program Files, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Assetto Corsa. Once that's done, click OK. Make sure your Steam ID is filled in correctly. You can enter any name you like, and for example, I'll put SealyRV. That's your shortcut set. You can also install some plugins if you want to. Now it should take you right into the game. To configure your controls and settings, just go over to the Settings tab, then into the Assetto Corsa section. Now you can enjoy playing with mods. You can find tons of them online to enhance your experience. Thanks for watching, and make sure to come back for the next video. See ya!